In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the local password for all of your FortiSwitches that are managed by your FortiGate. So there are certain things that you can do in the FortiGate command line to control your FortiSwitches, but there's also a lot of troubleshooting and diagnostics to where you actually have to either console in or SSH directly into the switch. Right? So if you're working with a team or a group of other engineers or technicians, somebody might have hopped in and changed the password to a switch, and you might not have it, right? If we want to connect to it and we don't have the password, if it's something we don't know, we get permission denied. Somebody might set a password for one of the switches managed by the FortiGate and then have, different passwords across all of the switches. So in order to make that uniform, and let's just say we want to change all the passwords across all the switches to the same thing and override what's currently set, it's actually super easy, and we're going to do that now. So you're going to go ahead and launch the command line on the FortiGate, and you're going to do config switch controller switch profile. And then you're going to edit the default profile. And then you're going to set the password. I think it's called password override. Let's see. Let's do a show. Set login password override. We're going to set that to enable. And then we're going to set login password to, let's just say test 1, 2, 3 exclamation. If I can type. All right. So that's set. We're going to click end. All right. And then we're going to try to command line into our switch. I'm going to use the password that we just changed it to. And it's working. So at this point, all the switches should have their local passwords changed to what you set. So yeah. So that's how you change the password across all of your FortiSwitches. Super easy, especially if you're in a bind and you're like, oh my God, I don't know the password. I don't, somebody didn't put it in the right area or in the, documented it all. So that should get you out of a pinch. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.